Hi, and welcome to the fourth month of 30 Day Skill. The skill for the month is Affinity, but we'll be looking at Publisher a lot more than the rest. So I can say that the skill for the month is Affinity Publisher, where we use this free premium publishing tool to publish PDFs, documents, and other things. There'll be so many projects for the month, and I can assure you most of the projects will be given to subscribers for free and viewers for free. You just have to download it free of charge at the end of the month. And it will encourage you also submit some kind of projects we're doing alongside what I'm doing. So if you have for it, please subscribe. The last month was SL, and it is one of my sledging months ever. I would have to do a separate video to discuss more about third month, which was for SL. So if you're new here, this is 30 Day Skill, where every month you pick a skill and learn it within 30 days. For the month of August, which is the fourth month, you're going to learn Affinity, but precisely Publisher. So good to have you on board. Subscribe, be part of this journey. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.